Oh, you can go right. I mean, left is better.
You want to go right?
I'm going left. No, I'll go right with you.
Yeah,
Come on.
I'll go left.
What's up?
I'm going deep. I'm going way deep, like blue.
Nice. Oh, we can push up a little bit.
Right side, wall.
Hey, since you did a boost last game, I found the wall there, like over.
Oh, in the yellow, in the red building? I've done that.
So, what are we gonna just hug the center?
Hug the side, yeah.
We're going in or around?
Around.
You heard?
Yeah.
I think in would be make us less of a target instead of out, because then they could probably see us from the right.
Well, then shoot them, then get in. All right. Hey, Mark. Oh shit. There's some across in the behind the gray building.
There's a guy over here too.
I'm switching sides, okay?
There you go. 1, 2, 3.
Anybody over there?
Can't see anybody.
Can we push up?
I don't know where they are. I can't see.
All right.
I know they're shooting at us. I don't know where they are.
We could probably push up. They're behind the gray building. Just
They're most likely behind the gray building. You can shoot them from this window.
yeah. There are 3 guys behind the gray building. Hey, I'm coming through the door, okay? Is there anybody over there?
Yeah, there is.
Where are they?
Behind those.
Oh, I see you. Where are they?
Let's get over it.
Ready? Go. There's a guy through the door of the gray building. Where is he?
He's at the crate right here.
Oh.
You guys just move up to this crate.
All right. There's 2 guys at the crate?
Yeah.
Great.
There's 2 of them. Honestly, that's a bad idea for them.
Tommy. Dakota and 2 other people are behind this crate.
Right here?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
The crates are right outside.
Right here?
The crates right outside.
Right here.
Hey, check the window.
Hey, hit!
Where'd he get you?
Hey, I'm out.
Watch it.
I'm coming through the door. No, I am. I'm coming through this door.
Alex, thank God. Jesus, where are you? Did I shoot you? No, you did. Oh, my bad. Did you get him? Or no? Hang on, I'm gonna go.
Don't. There's people. Hey, come here. There are guys all along this and behind the crates. Oh, did you get the Zeta mag you dropped over there?
I didn't drop it.
Oh. Never mind, that was somebody else.
He's right between the tree. Hey, run! He's right there! Hit. Coming out.
Fuck, right in the belly button.
Hey, that shit pop?
What?
Did it pop?
No, you're good. Oh, that did.
Not good.
There's another one right here. Alright.
Hey, tell him.
You're out! Got you! I got him.